Time now for Eyewitness News. Call 12 for action. Outraged over the high cost of your prescription drugs. Well, a Coventry man says the cost of one of his drugs skyrocketed more than 2,000% overnight.
He felt he wasn't getting any straight answers from his insurance company, so he called problem solver Susan Hogan for help. Susan joins us now with more.
The cost of prescription drugs and overall issues with insurance companies is one of our top 5 complaints into our Call 12 for Action Center. And sometimes the answers patients are given by their insurance company is as confusing as their problem itself. Ken Jackson from Coventry takes numerous prescription drugs. Up until recently, his co-pays have been manageable. A medical condition requires Ken to give himself 1 shot a day, a painful shot.
Taking one is not fun because you take them in the stomach.
Ken's co-pay for the drug cost just $9, but when he went to pick up a refill for the same drug, same dosage, the cost jumped 2,489%.
So you can imagine I'm days away from starting to take my medication, my shots, and I'm panicking.
Left with 2 choices, pay $233 or go without.
Unacceptable?
Completely. And
Frustrated and feeling like his insurance company, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Rhode Island, let him down, Ken called 12 for action.
what brought me to you was the only person I knew that would listen was you.
Blue Cross tells Call 12 for Action that they adhere to regulatory requirements set by the federal government for Medicare Part D prescription drug coverage programs, and says it is possible as a result of the cost associated with a drug that it may be moved to a higher tier that results in a higher out-of-pocket cost to members for a drug. An explanation, Ken says, is unacceptable and forces people into making dangerous decisions with their health.
So what's that person going to do? I'll tell you exactly what they're going to do. They're not going to get it. And they're going to gamble 8 or 9 days of their life without that medication. And it's Russian roulette.
Ken says he now has to take 2 shots a day to get the same dosage of the medicine and pay the same low copay as before. Bottom line, if your prescriptions go up, make sure you ask your doctor or pharmacist if there's a lower dose of the same drug available or a generic form of the drug. And if you have a consumer problem you need help solving, contact our Call 12 for Action Center Monday through Thursday from 11 until 1, hotline 228-1850. I'm problem solver Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.